Hello, I'm fixing to do some country style steak. And I've got my steak in this pan and I've salt and peppered it and put a little buttermilk on it so my flour will stick on it. And here's my flour, so I'm gonna put, and I'm just using flour only. And I'll fry it here first. That's getting hot enough.
She's going to fry it in the pan. We're going to pressure it, and this is a pressure pot, but you can use one of those Instapots. So we'll be back and show you the frying process.
Okay, we've got our steak fried. We brown it, and then we put it back in our pot.
We got all those goodies in the bottom of the pot. It's going to make our gravy.
And now I use a can of cream of mushroom soup mixed with water, and I pour this on top of it.
1 can of cream of mushroom soup and 1 can of water. And we've got an old-timey pressure cooker here. And we're going to pressure it for about...
a little bit more water.
Going to pressure it for about 30 minutes and it'll come out tender and good, and we'll show it to you when we get back. Yum.
Got it ready to eat here, and I think Joanne's raring to eat.
There's what the steak looks like finished with the gravy. We've got mashed potatoes, we've got fried okra, and fresh homemade biscuits. So we will talk to you later after we eat.
Okay, I'm gonna start eating here, and the steak's real tender. You can just cut it with a fork. See that? It's gonna be good. This is delicious. Be sure you follow us and click, and we'll appreciate it, and we'll cook another meal soon.